Come check this out right here. This thing, this HKS single exit right here, sounds nasty. Bop, 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 bop. Launch control today. Today's gonna be a good day. Welcome back to the carmaspeed channel. Randall said you're gonna be taking over. We've got a clutch to install. We got fluids to change out. We're gonna see this thing run for the first time. I get Marin on the phone, who is the previous owner, walks us through the launch control. Hit that up to 5,000 RPM. Today's a blast. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. Let's get this thing running, and we cannot wait for you to hear what this Turbo FR-S sounds like. Don't forget, carmaspeed.com, linked in the description. Get entered to win this Turbo FR-S. This could be yours. We'll be calling someone in a couple months to let you know, hey, you just won this car. We've completely transformed it, and it's a ripper. Seti, what do you think about that sound?
That sounds so good.
Let's go a little walk down memory lane really quick. So we went to downtown Phoenix, picked up the car from Marin. It had been sitting for a little over 3 years. It was dirty, it was filthy. We finally got it home after bringing it home on a trailer. We had all the guys with us. We had a great time. Cleaned the car off for the first time. Got to see that the paint was actually in great shape. We went straight to work, took out the transmission to figure out that it was the clutch, not the throwout bearing that Marin thought was bad. And now it's time to get the new parts in it and get it running. Really quick pause of the episode. I gotta let you know that we're doing 500x entries to win this car today to celebrate Cinco de Mayo. Go check out if there's anything on the carmaspeed website that you do not have yet. Get entered to win this car. You could be looking at this cockpit like it's yours. Hopefully we have something new here and get some new modifications here that you're gonna see us documenting on the channel. We have 100x through Mother's Day, but today only to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, we have 500x going on. So today's a great day. Thanks so much for stopping by. I want to let you know about the promo we have going on. Enjoy the rest of the episode.
Some good garbage.
So we're going to start off by putting our flywheel in place.
I almost forgot a piece.
We're going to put Loctite on every single one of these bolts. Red Loctite. We don't want these coming loose. Tighten all these by hand in a star pattern, then we'll go ahead and get them torqued down.
That's a nice tee you got on.
carmaspeed.com, baby.
Oh yeah.
Get yours today. 63 foot-pounds.
So we just threw some more of that good stuff on those bolts.
See our tightening pattern. What do we got here? So we already have a billet clutch fork. I don't know which brand it is, but Marin already had one put in, so we don't got to worry about that. We do have an OEM throwout bearing from Subaru. This is the best way to go when it comes to throwout bearings. OEM all the way. So we're going to pull out our clutch fork. I'm gonna take our new bearing. okay.
So Randog just took out the shifter assembly, make it easy for ourselves.
Gonna make it way easier to get it back up in there.
That baby in. Oh no. Randog got her all buttoned up. So we're putting in the gas tank right now. What you doing up there?
Connecting our evap lines. Drive shaft going in.
That's all rubber. Nice, Marin. Want some goodies? So I'm up here, and Randog is down there.
Is it hot? A little bit. Just a little BFH action. What does that mean? Big hammer.
The exhaust all up and tidy.
Final stages. Last bell housing bolts up top. And we just gotta hook up our connectors, our ground, fill this thing up with trans fluid, and fill her up with a little E85, and we'll be good to go. So we're now gonna be filling up our transmission with Motul Gear 300 LS. This stuff is great.
What's happening in here?
Plugging the gas tank back up. I don't know if that's the correct verbiage.
Oil, check. Transmission, check. Clutch, check. Fuel injectors, check. Are we ready?
Ready.
Oh yeah. Let's go! Let's go!
She's running.
Check the RPM and make sure it's smooth.
Check the RPM and make sure it's smooth, he said.
No, it sounds good, sounds good. It's gonna switch over about 2 minutes to DI.
She's running. Sounds good.
I'm gonna put on the Yankee tickets. We can pull in decent cam drive right now.
And it died. Sounds pretty good.
Rev it up, I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it.
He said he wants to hear it. Let it go. Put your foot on the clutch, you said?
Where you? Yeah.
So he said rev it quickly and it'll hit launch
So
control.
clutch it and then rev in floor as fast as you can.
Push clutch and then floor it?
Yep. Juicy.
And now you can take the cruise control and change up and down and go up to 5,000 do it again. You're gonna clutch it, floor it, and then tap the cruise control to up. Yeah!
Oh my
It's
goodness.
super conservative, but it's still cool.
This thing is rowdy.
It's juicy.
That one's conservative.
That's great. My neighbor's gonna come over here.
I want to get the block off.
We gotta get it one more time for the gram.
Or here you go.
Yeah.
Alright, let her eat. You hyped now? Now are you motivated?
I'm hyped.
Hey, let's go.
We got some work done today.
Seti, what do you think about that sound?
That sounds so good.
Now that you know that this thing is serious and maybe understand a little bit why we bought it, if you're curious and you're new here how we got this car, I'm going to have a video on the screen right here. This is a story of us picking up this car, a little bit about it, the previous owner Marin. You can meet him, get to know him a little bit, and how this car has been through a lot. And we're excited for it to be in one of your guys' hands right now. Don't forget Cinco de Mayo sale, 500X entries today, 100X through Mother's Day. We'll see you on carmaspeed.com. Go see if there's anything new that you don't have yet. We appreciate you.